Let's see, next question here. So I'm looking to decrease hardware. Do y'all do site consolidations? Yes, I would say that has kept us very busy the last 2 years in this massive change in landscape, change in office design, change in, what offices look like these days, and, obviously a blend of merging to the cloud and not. So we definitely can help with any of those consolidations. So as an example, so if which is probably a differentiator, say for example, if you have an office that you realize that location, that region, you're going to go all remote for whatever reason, you're just going to shut down the office. You need someone to go on site and basically clear it all out. So our team can do all that. And as an additional benefit alongside of that, when we go into these sites, because we also are purchasing infrastructure from our clients, if it's a $20,000 bill of materials, but we realize there's about $10,000 worth of equipment there, we can either send that equipment back to you guys to redeploy elsewhere, or we can purchase that from you and either apply it towards the cost of the project or give it to you as an open credit or something like that. So some of that creativity is how we help projects be afforded where they may not have had a budget before.
And Joe, can I just jump in here really fast? So if you do have a decommission schedule where you're planning on upgrading hardware in the next year or so, and you're in the middle of like a multi-year maintenance contract, what we can do too is we can come in and support that hardware through our one-call platform, which is third-party maintenance, 4-hour replacement next business day. And we can do very creative contracts. So we can do month to month, we can do short-term, 6 months. Yeah. So if you come to us and say, hey, Pivot, our plan is to decommission this equipment. We just need a Band-Aid solution in the interim. And then at the end of that, when we do decommission it, we need you to come in. We need you to de-rack it. We need you to certify that data has been sanitized or destructed. We can do all of that. We can either do it on site or we can bring it back to our facility. And then we can give you any kind of credit back for that hardware. So to Joe's point too, you can also repurpose that equipment for a self-sparing model, and that can get really interesting, but there's a lot of ways that we can structure a creative solution so that you're not overpaying for OEM maintenance and then basically ripping out equipment that you're not getting any kind of credit for. So we can come in and help with that.